So this is a question from Vincent, and it's another question about the Ghent Output Suite. It seems a lot of the questions are about the Output Suite, which is good because it means that people are using it. So he's actually using the Output Suite and he's pre-flighting it, and he's getting 2X's on a particular patch. And it's this particular patch here, the ICC-based RGB Overprint. And I reviewed the document actually because it's something perhaps we should consider adding, because although there's a portion that says that the file has been pre-flighted and passed various applications pre-flight capabilities, what it doesn't say is that you shouldn't pre-flight the file and you shouldn't fix the Ghent Output Suite. You should just use it for the other applications and output devices in your workflow. The reason is that a lot of this Output Suite is actually created by hand. It uses a lot of techniques in order to generate those white crosses that you see if something goes wrong. And so if you run the pre-flight profile and you do fixes and things like that, you will actually break the Output Suite. So you don't actually need to check your pre-flight solution with the Output Suite. That work has already been done by us. It's really for the other applications in your workflow that need to be tested. So maybe we can take that as a note and put some explicit text in the explanation document of how to use the Output Suite to make that clear. I do know of people who do all sorts of tricks to try and get the Output Suite to go through their devices. I even spoke to one customer who converted the Output Suite to an image to try and claim compliance for his PostScript RIP. That's not the point. That's not the way this is supposed to work. And the idea is to make sure that your RIP is correctly configured so that a PDF X4 can be successfully output through your workflow. So I hope that is useful. There are a couple of associated questions with it, but obviously that's not an issue, so it's not something you really need to worry about. So that's the end of the questions.
Maybe one Andrew, something I want to point out once again, we have heard some question where the output can cause issues or look different compared to a pixel output. I want to say one thing: when a PDF file is compliant to the Ghent workgroup specification, it is to 99, even 99.9% predictable, no matter how you process it, as the processing is done in a correct way. We tried to not allow any constructions in a PDF that can cause a different rendering, like we have heard before, blend color spaces using ICC profiles. This can cause different output on different devices, and that's the reason why in the Ghent workgroup specification, we specifically do not allow any ICC-based blend color spaces. So when a PDF file is Ghent workgroup compliant, it's a very high predictability that the output looks the same on all devices if set up the correct way.
Well said. So one thing here, we're starting to see more and more of the Output Suite being used not only for RIPs but also for PDF viewers. So you'll see there that compliancy label. You may see that on certain applications in their marketing material. If you want the Output Suite, then you simply have to go to our website, and it's available to download. And there's full instructions on how you should use it.